Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. Today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can check any news or information about the stocks or coins you want to invest in on your investing.com app. To do so, first of all, you just have to open up your investing.com app like I already did. Now if you go into the coin section, you can see all of the coins that are available for you to trade. But you need to know more information about the coin before trading, then this video is the right one for you. Go on to any kind of coin you are interested in, click on it and it will take you further inside it where you can see all the information about the coin that you want to trade. You can click on show more right here and it will show more about the information of the coins. Now if you want to see the news as well, just scroll up until you see an option for overview, technical news, analytics right here. There are many options for where you can check the news, historical data, and many more. If you go onto the news, you can see all the current news that have been published about your coin. And that is a simple process on how you can check about the information of any kind of crypto or stocks on your investing.com app. You can do this process with any other coins as well. This was for this video and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.